The market is red for the blue chip company, but small cap company is jumping. We have one stock jump 70%. We're going to discuss where's the bottom, where's the support, where's the squeeze area, and where we should take our profit. The hunter way of trading. So let's dive right in. First off, MULN. We discussed it today. We did even chart analysis. After the market opened, we got alert for MULN is bumping. We did this chart analysis. The price was hovering around the 0.29 cent. It was our support, and we said the first profit taken should be around the 36 cent. The price hit our first profit taken because what's happened, we held the 29, and during that we discussed the 32 support that will confirm the strength for MULN chart. We said it as well in our chart analysis here. We said the 32 level will confirm the strength of our chart, and the price will continue to go higher. Not even the 29. The 29 should be the bottom. So this is a new resistance to overcome for MULN to go to the profit taken 43 cents. And of course, the squeeze area for MULN, a lot of people talk about the $1. However, we have to visit the 0.52 cent in order to get the 0.76 cent, not the $1. Still, will take a bit of time because the price went parabolically down. You see, huge selling pressure opened the moment that we broke this ascending line around the $1. So this is why we suggest to exit, and this is why we suggest to take profit on the way, because this stock is still heavily shorted, even though we have good news regarding fundamental wise and new factory. However, I don't depend on the news. As we said, the 32 should be our support to break the 37. Otherwise, the bottom should be the 29 cent to confirm the strength for our chart to go to the 0.52 cent. Next up, we have ACOR. We talked about it today in our pre-market update here. What we suggest, we're gonna go around here, the 0.54 cent. We went there, and the price now bumping from there. You know why? Because we have this AMA higher, got rejected around current resistance, this 63 cents. This should be the bottom, because if we don't hold this level for ACOR, oh man, we're gonna fill the gap. The gap is really huge, you know, around the 37 cents. So I don't suggest to hold if we broke this support. If we held, perfect. This means the price will have a strength. The moment that we overcome the 76 cent, we might even see the $1 this time. Not even the $1, but the squeeze area will be the $1.18 for this stock. Next up, we have clean energy. What we suggest for clean energy, of course, we discussed the support around this orange line, the $6.05. The profit taken should be around the $6.83. However, the first profit taken that we should take here is around the $6.38. We got a bit of rejection. Now the price will overcome this level of resistance to go to this profit taken around the $6.83. Then the $8.50 for clean energy. Most shorted stock on our list, which is NERV or NERV. We got huge requests for this stock. You know why? We got double top. You see it here clearly. Boom. Around this area, and last time around the 14th of October, and the price went parabolically down almost 74%. So what's the game plan? The game plan, I will not touch NERV, because now it's kind of hitting a bottom around the $3. So there's a strategy. We should have a nerve of steel in order to trade this stock, which is called NERV, because it's pretty volatile. So the $3, if we held it, we're gonna get this reaction, boom, breaking the $3.64, which is the current resistance, then going until the $4 or the $5. So let me just lower this alert around this area. Perfect. This will be the pre-signaling for a squeeze. This should be the bottom to $3. We already tested the $3.08. Imagine just a week and the price went higher. So this is a good reaction for NERV. If we still consolidating for NERV here, we're gonna get huge volatility like what happened for MULN when found a bottom then broke a resistance. So this is the game plan. We have to watch out for this resistance. It's breaking this resistance around this gap, the $3.70, no, the $3.82, the $3.64, this area. If we broke it after we hold here, then we're gonna get another huge volatility, another 30% for the $5 profit taken. Let me just check this. Green is mean profit taken, orange is mean breakout, and the red line is support. Let me just go very quick for AMC and APE. Yesterday we talked about it as well. What we said for APE, we talked about this potential resistance around this area, the $2.23 and the 24. We said we're gonna get rejection, and the price actually got rejected as we expected, and we went down nearing our support. Now we have a bit of reversal around the support, the $1.90. Yeah, so if we held this level, we're gonna get huge volatility back in order to go to the $2.40 and the $2.76. So we don't want to go back to the $1.70 bottom. This will be a huge weakness. But if we held the $1.90 for APE, this will be a good indication that the price is still doing higher lows. Look, this will be a good reaction for APE. We have a pretty good looking ascending line. We bounce from it every time. This is the third time. Hopefully it will hold that in order to confirm the price continuation up and then squeeze. For AMC, the same scenario. We talked about this resistance around the $6.82. You see, we have a double top in the same day. Imagine. Then the price went down. So this is a good entry for a short position here for AMC, almost 10%, man. This is a perfect short opportunity for AMC because we went again nearing the $5.94. The $5.94 is still our current bottom. For my opinion, if AMC is still holding this area, APE will hold the support that we talked about, the $1.90, because have the same sentiment. So if AMC went down here, there's potential that APE as well will break the $1.90, and AMC will go around the $4.70 bottom. If we don't hold the $5.94, we are pretty close. Just wait for it. As we suggested here on our channel, never run after the price. Let the price come to you. Lastly, we have the most loser for today, which is agfy. 36% down. The volume is 4 million. Short seller haven't. The price went almost 100% down. So what's the game plan? The game plan for this stock, I will never average down, I will never buy the dip for it, I will do nothing. What the best strategy for it is just watching. Which level, you ask me, Trading Jesus, which level we should watch out for? Simple and straightforward. The $3.74. Already put my alert. You gotta put your alert too, because if you don't, you might miss the squeeze the next time. Because if we go back for MULN, look, if you don't put alert, like I did, I didn't put alert, sorry guys, I really forgot to put alert for the breakout zone, which was around the 22 cents for MULN, and see the price went almost 70%, and we got a bit late. For me, I got here around the 29 cents, so we got a bit of profit, yeah, 20%, but we could have actually entered from this breakout, man, 66%. You just put alert and forget about it. For this one, there's a potential for another squeeze if we overcome the $3.74. I just give you an example for MULN, so it might happen for AGFYA. So It's not 100%. I'm not financial advisor. I'm telling you to buy around the $3.74. However, there is a high probability that the price will squeeze. And we might do, let me just check how much we can do. Yeah, the same as for MULN, 67%, 70%. Come on, even Warren Buffett can do this in 5 years or 10 years. You can do this in just one day. But there's volatility. You have to be cautious. Don't enter with your full position. Don't be greedy. Take your profit on the wave. Sign of weakness, we get out. Never holding the support, we get out. Be strict. This is the idea. The stock market, if you don't have strict mindset and strategy, you're gonna lose money. And the guy next to you gonna take your money. Simple as that. Because if you lose money, another trader who have a strategy will take your money. There's no like why it happened to me, except that the more you actually move forward and learn from your mistakes. We tried to cover all the requested stock. Like the most loser for today, we got this huge request for it, and the other stock we can actually cover it for you in the live streaming on Friday 8 p.m. CET, as usual each Friday. So hopefully that was clear, and see you in the next update.